Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: a clean, dry vocal stem and a 30-60-second reference of the singer you want to emulate. Once done, pick the right model type: cloning for match, timbre transfer for color changes, or multi-singer synth for style blending, and install the model files. Make sure your system has the correct GPU drivers and dependencies, then export source audio as WAV44. 1kHz, 24-bit, so the network receives high-quality input and avoids artifacts. Next, preprocess and configure. Normalize levels, remove noise, and trim silence to focus the model on the voice. Then create the features the model expects: pitch contour, mel spectrograms, or voice embeddings, using the supplied tools. Once that's ready, set inference parameters: pitch shift amount, whether to preserve formants, and the number of synthesis steps. These control realism versus stability. Make small iterative changes and preview each pass, because subtle parameter tweaks yield large perceptual differences. Now run the synthesis and immediately compare a /B with the original and target reference to judge likeness and artifacts. If the result is close, apply final mixing, gentle EQ, de-essing, and time alignment, then export vocal stems for the session. If you encounter buzzing, robotic tonality, or timing issues, reduce pitch shift, enable formant locking, lower inference steps, or retrain with more targeted data. These fixes often eliminate artifacts while preserving the intended singer character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.